Hello, English language learners. Welcome back to Single Step English. I'm Steve, and we are your online resource for mastering English language step by step. Today, we're going to tackle the pronunciation of a word that can be a little confusing: environment. Now, let's break down the pronunciation of environment to ensure you're saying it correctly every time. The key is to put stress on the second syllable, vi, in environment. Another tricky syllable for this word is the R-O-N sound. When we say it at a natural speed, the R-O-N, or ron, becomes earn sound. I think this pronunciation guide will help. Environment. The last syllable is ment. Let's say the last two syllables together. En-vi-ron-ment. Once more, en-vi-ron-ment. Now, let's say the full word. Repeat after me. Environment. Environment. Now, let's use environment in a sentence. It's important to protect the environment by reducing our carbon footprint. Great job. By focusing on the correct syllable and emphasizing the vi sound, you'll master the pronunciation of environment in no time. That's it for today's lesson on Single Step English. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be pronouncing environment like a native speaker. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your English skills. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.